How did ancient people build the pyramids without modern machines? No cranes, no electricity, no computers. Yet they created structures that still stand after more than 4,500 years. Today, we will explore the real technology and engineering behind the Egyptian pyramids. Let's begin. 1. Not built by slaves. First, let's clear a common myth. The pyramids were not built by slaves. Archaeological evidence shows that they were built by skilled workers, engineers, and craftsmen who were paid, fed, and housed by the state. These workers were highly organized and trained. Building pyramids was a national project, not forced labor. 2. Stone cutting technology. The stones used in the pyramids weighed between 2 and 80 tons. The Egyptians used copper tools, stone hammers, and wooden wedges. They cut limestone by repeatedly striking and smoothing the surface. For harder stones like granite, they used diorite pounding stones, slowly shaping the blocks over time. This process required precision, patience, and deep knowledge of materials. 3. Transportation systems. One of the biggest mysteries is how they moved massive stones. Recent discoveries show that Egyptians used wooden sledges and wet sand. By pouring water on the sand, they reduced friction and made heavy stones easier to pull. They also used the Nile River as a transportation highway, floating stones on boats directly to the construction site. This was ancient logistics at its finest. 4. Ramps and engineering methods. To lift stones upward, Egyptians built ramp systems. There were different types: straight ramps, zigzag ramps, spiral ramps around the pyramid. Using ramps, levers, and teamwork, workers slowly raised stones layer by layer. This required advanced planning, geometry, and structural understanding. 5. Mathematics and geometry. The pyramids show incredible mathematical precision. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions north, south, east, and west. The base is nearly a perfect square. The angles are consistent on all sides. This proves the Egyptians had advanced knowledge of geometry, measurement, and surveying. 6. Astronomy and alignment. The pyramids are not just engineering marvels, they are astronomical ones. They align with stars connected to Egyptian beliefs about the afterlife. The shafts inside the Great Pyramid point toward specific stars, including Orion, which was associated with the god Osiris. This shows a deep connection between science, religion, and architecture. 7. Why modern machines are still impressed. Even today, modern engineers are amazed by the pyramids. The precision, scale, and durability would be challenging even with modern machines. The pyramids are proof that technology is not just about machines, but about knowledge, organization, and human intelligence. So the pyramids were not built with magic or aliens, but with brilliant ancient technology.